All right, ladies, 3 AI tools that are either cool, inspiring, useful, fun, or I thought were interesting in some way or another. And the first one that we have is called Ollie.ai. It's like a one-stop shop for all things data. So let's just pretend like you hired a data person at your company, or you have a data analyst assistant now. That's pretty much what this does. You can automatically locate data, generate insights and dashboards. You can share these things with other people on your team, or you can pretend like you did it yourself unethically. But anyways, for example, you can say things like, what was the churn rate last week for customers that started using this product 3 months ago? And what that does is it generates charts and graphs and documents and things you couldn't even think of generating out of a data set. And it just gives you all that information just by asking it in English. So just think about all the possibilities of data visualization. And sometimes you want insights on data, but you might not even know how to extrapolate that data. You might have pages and pages of Excel sheets of data that might be tasked. You might be tasked to parse through and analyze that, and you just have no idea where to even begin. But you can explain it in English, in natural language. I mean, guys, there's literally jobs. People have jobs that are this. People go to school for literally this. And now you have an AI that can just do it for you. So if you need to play around with AI that's processing data and data analytics and data visualization, definitely check out Ollie.ai. And speaking of data visualization, look at this. Only 10% of people who watched my last video subscribed. That's crazy. So listen, I think I need to bribe you guys more. Let me buy you lunch. Comment your Cash App cash tag below in the comments right now, and I'll pick someone random by the end of the day today, and I'll buy you lunch. I'll just send you some money and you go buy some lunch, or do whatever you want to do with it. I'm literally gonna bribe you guys to hit that subscribe button. And after you eat your free lunch, okay, you're gonna probably have to pay taxes on it. So hop over to aitax.com and you can file your taxes with AI. And AI Tax, they use AI and machine learning technology to prepare and file your taxes. They say that it eliminates the risk of human error and any missed opportunities, which is super interesting because then it guarantees that you'll end up paying the lowest amount of tax legally possible. So that's pretty cool. But I always get sketched out when websites and products and services guarantee something. But on top of all of those claims, they say that it's legally secured and all of their filings are backed with a free audit and in-court legal defense, which means that they're super, super confident, which is cool. And let's say worst case, you end up going to jail. Just head over to legalesedecoder.com. I'm telling you guys, there's AI on pretty much everything now. So this website's designed to take legal documents as an input, and it outputs a version of that document that's written in plain English that you can just understand instead of trying to figure out what kind of legal nonsense you're reading. What they do is they analyze the structure and the content of the legal document, and then their AI model identifies key terms and the legal concepts to extrapolate what it all means, and it puts it into something that you and I can both understand. I wonder if this could actually help lawyers work better and faster too. It might be an interesting use case to see if a lawyer could use this, similar to how somebody would use a calculator. It makes you work faster and more accurately. I think that's a super interesting use case for something like this. If you're a lawyer, let me know what you think of tools like this. Are you scared? Are you excited? Well, with that, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.